Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Tony. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I am repotting my Sago palms. I got two of them. They have been in my care for the last 5 to 6 years, and over the last couple of years they have been in the same pot. So yeah, it's time to get them out and prune them, get rid of some of the lower fronds so they'll look like this in the picture. These plants are great ornamental plants, and I got both of mine at Walmart. They were very small. Over the years I've been potting them, but over the last couple of years they've been in the same pot. So these plants are believed to bring good luck in my culture, and I want to keep them around as long as I can. They have been doing fine, however they haven't flowered for me. So I really want these beautiful plants to flower. The flower also brings good luck. So I got my palms out of their pots. Well, yeah, they're pots. So this is the first one right here. Now this bottom part, you guys, are very pointy and sharp. When you do this, you have to wear gloves, some sort of protective gloves, or else you will be hurting. Definitely will bleed. So this part here, right here, do you guys see the spikes there? Yeah, very dangerous. So every now and then it's good to prune the bottom of the plant, get rid of the old palms or fronds, and try to keep it all nice and neat. But anyway, so this is one of my Sago palms out of this pot. There's a lot of fronds here. I need to do a lot of trimming. So along that bottom part of the palm, you will more than likely encounter a lot of seedlings that are attached to the main plant. So you can remove them quite easily by just kind of tear them apart, or you can use a knife or something to free them. So as you guys can see, in the last couple of years this plant has produced a lot of babies. Now these baby palms can just be put into a pot, and they themselves will start to put out fronds and become a new plant. They're quite interesting, kind of remind me of a pineapple. At the top there has a little fuzzy brown feeling to it. I managed to get a bigger one out, a bigger plant out of that mother plant there. Again, I kind of chop up some of those fronds with the spikes. And here is another plant that's going to be potted up. So I now have 3 Sago palm along with all the babies. I'm thinking that I might just reuse these pots here, you guys. What I'm going to do is just put some potting mix in there. They are not fussy at all. As long as you give them a little bit of fertilizer here and there, they'll do fine, especially a palm of this size. I will definitely put some plant tone in there just to give them a little bit of food. And after I'm done, they'll be good for another couple of years or so before I have to do this again. So here it is, all potted up and looking nice and clean at the bottom, and less crowded. So I put a couple of bricks in there just in case they'll topple over.